Welcome back to part 2 of our Hajj journey. In this video, we will share the highlights of our stay in Makkah and how we performed the obligations of Hajj. All pilgrims traveling to Makkah must wear Ihram from a designated boundary known as Miqat. Miqat marks the area from which one must enter into the sacred state of Ihram before entering Makkah. If you're flying into Jeddah, you'll need to wear Ihram from the airport or during the flight before crossing Miqat. However, if like us, you arrive in Madina first and then travel to Makkah, the Miqat you will encounter is called Dhul Hulaifa. At Miqat, we wore our Ihram garments and performed 2 rakats of Nafil prayer, entering a state of spiritual readiness for Hajj. From here, our journey towards Makkah began, with a bus ride lasting approximately 6 hours. The hotel assigned to us was Hadiya Towers, situated in Azizia. It proved to be an excellent choice, providing comfortable and clean accommodations. Each room was equipped with 5 beds, air conditioning, a refrigerator, and a television. What's more, the hotel was considered enough to assign separate rooms for men and women, ensuring privacy and comfort for all pilgrims. After reaching our hotel, we wasted no time and headed straight to the Holy Mosque to perform our first Umrah of Hajj. While the distance from our hotel to the Haram was approximately 7 kilometers, the government had thoughtfully arranged free shuttle service buses for pilgrims like us. The best part? This service was available round the clock, making it incredibly convenient to reach the Kaaba in 10 minutes. As our flight was one of the earlier ones for Hajj, the crowd was relatively sparse when we arrived. This allowed us to perform multiple Umrahs without much difficulty. However, as the days passed, the number of pilgrims increased significantly. Within days, we saw the Ihram wrapped around the Kaaba, marking the official start of the Hajj season. Every day, Zamzam water was sent to our hotel directly from the King of Saudi Arabia. Before Hajj, we took the opportunity to visit some of the historical places in Makkah. Mount Thor is home to the Cave of Thor, where an important event in Islamic history took place. When Prophet Muhammad and his companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq were traveling from Mecca to Medina, they hid in this cave for 3 days to escape from the Quraysh tribe. Hazrat Abu Bakr cleaned the cave and blocked any holes with cloth before the Prophet Muhammad joined him. While they were hiding, a snake bit Hazrat Abu Bakr's leg, causing him great pain. Despite his discomfort, he remained still as the Prophet slept with his head in his lap. When Hazrat Abu Bakr's tears fell on the Prophet's face, waking him up, he applied his saliva to the snakebite, relieving Hazrat Abu Bakr's pain. Miraculously, Allah protected them during their 3-day stay in the cave. On the 3rd day, a spider spun a web across the cave entrance, preventing the searching troops from finding them. Thus, they were saved from capture by the Quraysh. After these challenging days, they continued their journey to Medina. This is Mina, where all pilgrims stay during the days of Hajj. It features 100,000 air-conditioned tents spread over 20 square kilometers of area. Approximately 300,000 pilgrims can stay in these tents, earning Mina the nickname, the City of Tents. After exploring the historical sites in Makkah, we returned to our hotel where Hajj training sessions were arranged. Then, on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, we began our journey towards Mina with the intention of performing Hajj. Our maktab was number 25, where all the individuals were from our hotel, whom we already knew. In Mina, we had to offer 5 prayers, starting from the Zuhr prayer on the 8th until the Fajr prayer on the 9th. After offering Fajr prayers on the 9th in Mina, we departed for Arafat, where we had to stay until Maghrib prayer. During our stay in Arafat, we combined the Zuhr and Asr prayers, as is the tradition during Hajj. On the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, immediately after the Maghrib call, we left for Muzdalifah. Upon arrival, we offered the Maghrib and Isha prayers together. Throughout the night, we stayed under the open sky in Muzdalifah, collecting pebbles that we would later throw at the devil in Mina, embracing the simplicity and spiritual significance of the pilgrimage journey. Just before sunrise on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, we departed from Muzdalifah to Mina. Upon arrival, we performed the ritual of hitting the Jamarat al-Aqba, the big devil, with 7 pebbles. Then we awaited the animal sacrifice. After the confirmation from slaughterhouse via SMS, we shaved our heads, signifying the completion of our Hajj rites, and transitioned out of Ihram, donning our usual clothes once again. On the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, we performed Tawaf Al-Ziyarah by visiting the Kaaba. After completing the Tawaf, we returned to our tents in Mina. After the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, during the Ayami Tashriq, the days of sun-drying, on the 11th, 12th, and 13th of Dhul Hijjah, we performed the ritual of Rami by throwing pebbles at all 3 devils in sequence, with 12 pebbles each. Finally, on the 13th, we returned to our hotels from Mina, concluding our Hajj journey. This is Al-Kaif Mosque, located in Mina. It holds a significant place in Islamic history, as it is believed that Prophet Muhammad and other prophets have offered prayers in this mosque. After Hajj, we ventured to explore the city of Taif, nestled amidst the mountains. It holds great historical and cultural significance. Renowned as the City of Roses, it boasts lush gardens and cool weather, providing a refreshing escape from the desert heat. Taif is also known for its rich history. Mosque Abdullah bin Abbas, located in Taif, is renowned for its historical significance. It was built on the site where Abdullah bin Abbas, a prominent companion of Prophet Muhammad, is believed to have prayed. The mosque stands as a symbol of spiritual heritage and reverence in Islamic tradition. When the people of Taif rejected Prophet Muhammad's message and pelted him with stones, he sought refuge in a nearby garden. Bruised and saddened by the rejection, he took shelter under a vine, seeking solace in prayer. It was here that he encountered Adas, a servant of the garden's owner, who was moved by the Prophet's plight. Adas, a Christian, offered grapes to Prophet Muhammad as a gesture of sympathy. Surprised by Adas's kindness, the Prophet invoked Allah's blessings upon him before eating. Adas was deeply touched by this act of humility and the Prophet's message of peace and compassion. In response, he embraced Islam, recognizing the truth in the Prophet's words. Prophet Muhammad's encounter in Taif illustrates resilience and the transformative power of his message. Despite hardships, his faith and demeanor led to Adas's conversion, spreading Islam in the region. After exploring Taif, we returned to our hotel and performed Tawaf Al-Wada, the Farewell Tawaf, marking the end of our Hajj journey. With heartfelt memories, we departed for our country. I hope you enjoyed our journey, and I pray that Allah invites you to embark on this sacred pilgrimage as well.